Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss collinear points. What are collinear points? Points that lie on the same straight line are collinear. This implies that the gradients between any two of these points will be the same. So when you look at the sketch, you will see points A, B and C are collinear. They lie on the same straight line, and that means that the gradient between points A, B is equal to the gradient between points B and C. Example 1. Show that the points A, -3, -3, B, 0, 3 and C, 2, 7 are collinear. Now in order to do that, we need to find the gradients between A, B and the gradients between points B and C. And then when your gradients are equal, then your points are collinear. So we start with the gradient AB and into the gradient formula. So this will be x of A, y of A, x of B, y of B into the formula. And we have 3 minus bracket minus 3 over 0 minus bracket minus 3. And then we end with on top a minus times a minus is a plus. So it's 3 plus 3 is 6 over, and a minus times a minus is a plus 3. 6 over 3, the gradient between points A and B is 2. Then we work out the gradient between points B and C. So we've got the x of C, the y of C, the x of B, the y of B. Into the gradient formula, we substitute 3 minus 7 over 0 minus 2. 3 minus 7 is -4 over -2. Therefore, the gradient between points B and C is equal to 2. So what can you see? The gradient between A and B is equal to the gradient between B and C. Therefore, points are collinear. Example 2. A, 5, 4, B, 0, -1 and C, T, 2 are collinear points. Determine the value of T. So in this question, now I give you the fact that the points are collinear and we have to work out one of the coordinates. In fact, we are working out the x coordinate at point C. So the fact that they are collinear points mean that the gradients are the same. So we can start by working out the gradient between points A and B. So we've got the x of A, the y of A, the x of B, the y of B. Into the gradient formula. It's 4 minus bracket minus 1 over 5 minus 0. And then the gradient for AB is equal to 1. Now, it was given that the points are collinear, therefore the gradients are the same. And now we can say this is now the gradient between B and C is equal to 1 because the points are collinear, gradients are the same, and we know the gradient of AB. Then we will work out on this side now into the gradient formula. So we've got the x of B, the y of B, the x of C, the y of C. And it's this x of C that is T, that's the one we're going to calculate. So into the y of B, it's -1, -2 over 0 minus T. And then on top here, -1, -2 is -3. And then we want to solve T, but T is now under the line. So let's multiply by -T this side. It will cancel out and we multiply by -T on that side. So we end with negative t is equal to negative 3. Divide away the minus, therefore t's value is equal to 3. In the next video, I will discuss a typical exam question on analytical geometry. Have you subscribed yet? Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.